Good morning, students of class 9 or class 10. Welcome back to the online classes now. Let's do our lesson in history. The age of industrialization. Now we have reached 3.3 and the last portion of 3.3. When Manchester comes to India, when the cotton products that were produced in Manchester came to India, it was imported in India by the East India Company or the Britishers. What happened now? Now here, cotton weavers in India faced two problems at the same time, simultaneously. At the same time, they faced two problems. What were the two problems? Now I have written over here 2 points, first and second. The first problem was their export market collapsed, their export market came down, and the local market also shrank. The local market also shrank because most of the people were purchasing Manchester clothes because they were very cheap. Mill made clothes were very cheap. So export market collapsed and the local market also shrank. Shrank means became very small due to Manchester imports. Due to this Manchester import, the weavers faced the problem. Imported cotton goods were very cheap. The mill cloth, which was brought by the Britishers and flooded the market, they were very cheap and weavers could not compete with them. The weavers could not compete the price because they were very cheap and weavers have to manufacture manually, and naturally they had to purchase the raw material at a high price. So the cost of production was very high naturally. So they could not compete with their price. Now second problem, they could not get sufficient supply of raw cotton. They could not get sufficient supply of raw cotton of good quality. All the good quality raw cotton was taken away by the Britishers to England. It was exported by Britishers to England. And the weavers were left with poor quality cotton. So with poor quality cotton, and that too at a high price, they could not manufacture properly. As raw cotton from India increased, the price of raw cotton shot up. As the raw cotton of export of raw cotton from India increased, as the raw cotton from India increased, the export increased, the price of raw cotton shot up. The price of raw cotton went up. As raw cotton export, here is export missed over here. As raw cotton export from India increased, the price of raw cotton naturally shot up. So the weavers of India were left with poor quality. They were starved of supplies. They could not get proper supply of raw cotton. Even if they get the supply, the cotton was of poor quality. They were forced to buy raw cotton at a very high price. You see that? The price of raw cotton was very, very high. In this situation, in this type of situation, weaving could not pay. Weaving could not pay. Therefore, millions of weavers were jobless. They were unemployed. They had no work. By 19th century, factories came up in India. The problem was further complicated. By 19th century, factories came up in India. The problem became more complicated. As it is, the weavers were facing the problem, and when the factories were set up by the Britishers in India, instead of taking the raw cotton from India to England, they thought that why not manufacture the cloth over here and sell it over here only. The cost of transport will be saved. So in this way, the Britishers started manufacturing mill cloth over here. They set up industries in India. So by 19th century, when the factories came up in India, set up by the Britishers, the problem became more complicated, further complications. Millions of weavers were jobless. So millions of weavers were jobless, and the problem compounded, became more complicated. So you see that it is because of the Manchester goods that came in India that created the complication or the problems, and when the industries was set up by the Britishers in India, the problem was more complicated. So now what will be the solution? Where Indians will go, or what happened to the Indians, those who were weavers, those who weave clothes in the countryside? So now in our next class we'll do factories come up. Factory comes up in India. So we'll talk about that. And first the factories were set up by the Britishers, and later on Indians also started setting up industries. So we'll talk about that in our next class. So that's all for today. You stay safe and go through online portal every day. You should not waste your time. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video. So that's all.